Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up retargeting exclusions for past purchasers in Meta Ads, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Meta Ads Manager and log into your account. Navigate to the Audiences section in the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Audience button. Select Custom Audience from the drop-down menu. Choose Customer List as your audience source. Upload a CSV file containing your past purchasers' data. Make sure to include essential fields like email addresses or phone numbers. Follow the prompts to match your data to existing Facebook users. Once your audience is created, label it clearly for easy reference. Return to the Ads Manager and select the campaign you want to work with. Go to the ad set level of your campaign. Find the Audience section and click on Exclude Custom Audiences. Select the audience you just created for past purchase. This will prevent ads from being shown to those who have already purchased. Review your ad set settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Save your changes and proceed to publish the ad set. Monitor your campaign's performance to ensure your retargeting strategy is effective. Adjust your exclusions as needed based on campaign results. You're now set up to effectively manage retargeting exclusions for past purchasers in Meta Ads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.